Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the next lesson. Today we will talk about possessive adjectives. Egalik sifatlari haqida gaplashamiz. My bu mening degani. I men, my mening. Mening ismim Joe. My name's Joe. Name is bo'lish kerak. Bundan xabaringlar bor. Bu qisqartirilgan shakli. My name's Joe. His name's Adam. Her name's Jane. Dear students, pause the video and repeat after me. Videoni pauza qiling va orqamdan qaytarib keting. Bu sizning talaffuzingiz uchun foyda bo'ladi. Its name's Kisa. Our names are Jane and Adam. Their names are Judy and Ali. Xabaringlar bor, olmoshlar. I, men, you, sen, he, u, she, u qiz bola. It, bu jonsiz va hayvonlar. We, biz, they, ular. Endi bu olmoshlarni egalik sifatlari esa bu tarafda. I, men, my, mening, you, sen, your, sening, he, u o'g'il bola, his, uning, she, u qiz bola, her, uning, it, bu, its, buning, we, biz, our, bizning, they, ular, their, ularning. Endi buni siz ham pauza qiling va 5-10 marta kamida qaytaring, talaffuz qiling va tarjima qiling. Buni yodlab olish kerak. Kelinglar endi mashq qilamiz. It is. It's a cat. Possessive. Its name is Boots. Bu mushuk. Buning ismi Boots. They are. They're my parents. Possessive. Their names are Zhang Wei and Li Na. Ular mening ota-onalarim. Ularning ismlari Zhang Wei va Li Na. You're in room 52. Possessive. What's your name? Sen 52-xonadasan. Sening isming nima? Buni ham pauza qiling, qaytaring va tarjima qiling. Endi sizlarga mana bu mashq. Videoni pauza qiling, avval o'zingiz ishlang, keyin birgalikda ishlaymiz. Mana bu esa to'g'ri javoblari. Are you from this school? My name is Sarah. This is our classroom. She is my friend. Is his brother in this class too? No, he is in class B. Endi mana bu mashq. Bu mashqni esa videoda pauza qiling, avval o'zingiz bajaring, sinab ko'ring. To'g'ri javoblarni esa keyingi darslarda topishga birgalikda harakat qilamiz. See you next lesson. Bye.